So 5.3 teardown for the 240/350Z project. 2003 truck engine is what I was told. Pretty nasty. I've got the ISR oil pan kit coming that should fit the 350Z cradle. This is nothing pretty, but somebody had took the drove that oil pan on pretty hard, so I had to weld a bolt to it to get it off. Really nasty back here. Pro tip, guys, they sell the rear main for this, but GM sells this whole plate with the rear main, all as an assembly to install, and that will save loads of trouble on getting that thing to seal off the way GM does it. Stupid go-kart going on the road. The way GM does it, you know, it's going to last you a lot better than you taking that plate off and cleaning it up and reinstalling the ring or installing a new ring on the old plate. So all these are going to the machine shop. I've got the Brian Toohey Racing trunnion bearing kit to replace those old needle bearings. Looking to see some RPMs out of this engine. If you guys were reusing the push rods, you know, I would really take more care of orienting those the way they come out. But I'm replacing the push rods and lifters and all that with the cam, so it's all good. I'm gonna have to research. I honestly don't know what LS pistons has the cross in them. It's just a 5.3 dish piston, but I've never seen the cross in them, so that's a new one on me. I'm kind of in between. I'm gonna clean this block up, and I'm debating on the Chevy Hugger Orange just to be funny in the Datsun, or the Datsun Blue engine paint. So I really appreciate some opinions on that. I think either would look really cool. 862 heads, going to the machine shop, getting the new 600 lift springs on. I'm gonna let him install the bearing kit and the trunnion bearings. You know, just getting cleaned up and rebuilt completely. Checked for the decking. So yeah, she's really nasty right now, but I'm gonna have to figure out what serpentine kit I want to use. I'm really just planning on using the crank, alternator, and water pump. So, you know, if y'all have any ideas on that, let me know. I may go with electric power steering later. I don't want to pull off the engine with that, and it'll be no AC, so